I don't mention the even.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Item number 1.
No, Lordship, for mention, Your
Huh.
Lordship. Item number 3, Your Lordship. With the consent of the advocate and for the petitioner, Your Lordship, here. They have filed and replied. Lordship, I want to file reply.
What do you want to file there? What point do you want to raise?
Lordship, we cannot able to contact our client, Your Lordship.
Your femur bone was broken.
Lordship.
Your one leg is short, right? How can you continue in the post like combatant as in the CRPF? That's the only thing you have to address.
Lordship, may fix one date, Your Lordship. We will contact to our client and
Your R. Boro.
our board, Lordship.
Mr. R. Boro, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that an affidavit has been filed in the matter by the respondent authorities and the petitioner desires to file a rejoinder thereto. Accordingly, he prays that the matter be taken up after 2 weeks. Registry to list this matter immediately on conclusion of 2 weeks.
Pleasure. May I please? Lord, I'd like to mention item number 4, Lordship. See, today I am seeking an adjournment, Lordship. Let it be in the next week.
Huh?
Item number 4, my lord. Let it-
Only one thing you satisfy me in this case. Why are you taking an adjournment? That your promotion, there was a promotion order as HA.
My lord.
Just show me that. Head assistant, that you had a promotion order as an head assistant. You were allowed to look after the charge.
My lord.
The next day you were given a scale of pay. In between what happened, just show that. I'll ask them to pay you of salaries.
Lord, today I have some difficulties, Lord. Next Monday, Lord. Monday, Lord.
On the prayer of Mr. S. Chetia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and not objected to by Mr. P.P. Doctor, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 5, registry to list this matters again on
4th or 5th, Lord.
6.
Lord, deeply applied.
Only these 2
Lord.
points.
Lord.
UDA, you have an arguable case,
My lord.
right? Although they have taken a plea that it was in violation of the government norms, we will examine them.
My lord.
But HA, nothing. It seems that you are very powerful there.
Lordship, otherwise, my lord.
Their averment has not been denied in a reply also.
Hey, they have made a specific averment to that. You have not denied that,
Denied it.
that you have done that.
Lordship, I'll satisfy
Okay.
on 6th. Deeply obliged.
Okay. Yes, anything, any further?
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of the respondent for the railways.
Well, we don't want to hear it. Where is the petitioner?
Your Lordship, actually, this is a railway matter. If Your Lordship may take up the matter, then we may argue before the Lordship.
I'm ready to take up the matter. You're for the respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You're for,
Respondent,
and you're for
respondent for the railways. Your Lordship.
railways.
Yes. You need to-
Nothing to hear you. I want a petitioner. He has made an application for compassionate appointment. Father had died in 2010. Today 24.
Your
And
Lordship.
what happened to the lady? Her case. Appointed on compassionate
Yes,
grounds.
Your Lordship.
That's the end of the matter. Wait for some time. All of you should not.
Chennai State disciplinary proceeding and they had an order of recovery of money by interim order. It was protected. I have not seen a single page inquiry report like one at page 47.
So, Mr. Gogoi,
My lord.
you have accepted all the contentions made by the petitioner in the writ petition.
No.
Yes,
Well-
you have accepted.
How much? I agree.
Nasim Banu.
Parawise is there, my lord. I have to find
If
affidavit.
Parawise in your place, what will I do here? How can I know?
My lord,
I don't have the power to
I'll-
read
I'll have the affidavit, my lord. I'll file the affidavit. 1 week's time maybe.
specific contentions. Without denial of this, there is an interim order, Mr.
Yes.
Interim order
Interim
recovery
is-
protected,
Huh,
but
then-
one, and matter is of 2020,
One.
one, Lordship may see the first order, they were asked to produce the record.
And what happened to the branch managers thing?
That is interesting.
This was an old matter, my lord. We could drag up yesterday only. So, my lord, I'll need 1 week's time, my lord. With affidavit and others.
So that's the order to that.
Branch manager, 4 charges were proved against him, similar to the allegation level against the petitioner. Now, the allegation of the petitioner is that the managing director, to protect him, has now
Branch manager has, their bank has compromised with the branch manager. Peculiar.
compromised.
Compromise, settle, matter settle, as if it is a land matter. Possession of land. Even if that matter is disposed of, that may be tagged. Court can do it. Below.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi, you know about
I am
it.
not privy to that matters. I have a,
Mr. Goswami had appeared.
yes. I'll let the matter come after 1 week, my fixed date.
Since.
If that is the issue at hand, my lord, I have to consider. If my senior has, if that is the main issue, the main culprit, my lord, so-called, if compromised, then this
No
goes.
charges against him, perimeteria to the charges leveled against the
My
petitioner
lords, my
proved.
lords. If that be the
Nothing
case,
done.
yes, my lord.
De novo inquiry. After objection from the board members,
My lords,
respondent number 2, managing director proceeds,
my lords.
has his way. And now
Against me,
Hmm.
2 charges partially proved.
Partially
2
proved.
not proved.
And
Two
those
not
2
proved.
partially proved are proved with the finding that he is not, this charges has got nothing to do with him.
My lords. Let me have some instruction, my lord. If that be the case, we will consider. my lord.
We will have it on. When?
Only
You give me a date.
one area I am losing. Since 2011, I am in the same post. It is seniority come merit promotion.
Where we interfere, we'll pass
Not
consequential
merit
orders.
come seniority. Seniority come merit.
We just keep, Mr. Smith, keep that regulation ready. We will take care.
Today
fix a
is-
date.
Those names are dated.
You take after 15 days, no problem, but affidavit should be on record. Even.
It,
As prayed for by heard Mr. A.C. Barbara, Lennox, senior counsel, assisted by Mr. M. Smith, Lennox counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. D. Gugoi, who has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent bank. Also, Mr. D. Gugoi submits that the instructions in the matter has been received by him and he would be filing an affidavit in the matter within 10 days from
10
today.
days.
Also, in view of the above submission of Mr. D. raised it to list this matters again on 18/11/2024. It is provided that no further opportunity
My lords.
to file affidavit would be provided to the respondent bank. Also, interim orders passed earlier to continue until further orders.
Always.
Supply.
Yes, Mr. Patgiri, you have got it.
My lord, I have got provisional, my lord, compassionate family pension and provisional gratuity.
Provisional, how they have sanctioned the original, the final one. Why have we not got it?
My lord, and the consent paper proposal has sent to the AG, my lord.
This is not final sanction of CPF.
Provisional, my lord.
You have got the provisional gratuity.
Provisional gratuity and provisional.
Oh, compassionate provisional pension.
pension.
Okay, you have got the relief.
Final, till finalization, my lord.
Till finalization, if you don't have it, come back.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Dhar. What is delaying it?
PNRD department.
Oh, PNRD.
PNRD,
Get somebody of PNRD.
my lord.
Yes,
They have filed the affidavit in opposition.
today.
It is not in the record.
Okay. It is submitted by at the bar that an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the authorities of the or on behalf of the respondents in the Department of Social Justice and Empowerment has been filed today. Also, raised it to list this matters again after Registered to list those matters again in the third week of November, along with the affidavit filed by the respondents, by the respondents. Full stop. The petitioner is at liberty to bring on record any rejoinder, if so advised, to the affidavit so filed by the said respondents.
The date may be fixed. The date may be fixed.
Third week I have said, third week of November.
Date, if possible.
Third week na lage tumi ya koi day 20 koi day. 20.
I remember one petition is considered.
One petition has come. Just wait. We'll just finish up the list. There. Yes. What has happened?
Your Lordship, department has said that there is no proof that she is married.
But husband, there was a maintenance case. Husband
Yes.
was regularly paying her.
Today,
Maintenance.
petitioner to obtain instructions, Lordship. The petitioner is not here. As
Who
per
is
the
S.
last,
Rana?
last order, Lordship. Petitioner to obtain instructions, Lordship.
Husband has not instituted any proceeding against that maintenance order. And who is appearing for the mother? Dipali Boisho? Nobody.
I do not know, Lordship.
None appears on behalf of the petitioner on call. Also. For the ends of justice, register to list this matters again after a week on a date to receive the file. Let's see. Yes, madam. This is health department, A&M.
P. Gogoi is appearing in this case. Lordship.
Okay, he has some instructions asking to come.
Maybe. So I'll inform the.
Timing.
Lordship,
You're
I'm
for?
appearing on behalf of the health department. Do you, for me?
Who is for the petition? Okay, we'll wait for some time.
Lordship, I'll pray for 2 weeks further time.
No, your affidavit is not required.
File our affidavit, Lordship.
Not required.
No, Lordship, we have already filed.
You have already filed.
We have already filed.
Still not required. Where is the petition?
I have informed also.
2012.
To take a note, my lord, the petitioner's father died on
2012.
2012. So,
He approached this court for the first time sometime in 22, that is after 10 years.
10 years.
And then after that, this case is filed. Nothing. We'll wait.
They were both they were squarely covered.
I'm not even going to dismiss it for default if nobody comes. You are not assailing the fixation. Your grievance is finalize my pension and don't make any recovery. That's all.
And the fixation, my
You have not prayed for that. Show me your prayer to that effect. Then 1,025. It was reduced to some other 1,000 or something. 1125. But you have not prayed for that fixation. Why should we go into that? Yes, Mr. Bora. Why? How can you recover?
No, we have filed our affidavit, my lord.
Some 13 lakhs has been released.
That is not, my lord, pension, that is in respect of.
What is that release?
That is, my lord,
Page 68.
yes, my lord.
What is this? Nothing is here.
My lord, Probably it is the gratuity.
Probably, you have filed this affidavit and you are saying
Gratuity.
probably.
Yes.
What is this 13 lakhs, Mr. Munir?
Gratuity nahi?
Government has given you some grant. Mr. Bora will not give you a naya paisa. Now he has given you 13 lakh 90,000. So there is something.
This amount, I'm not, regarding what?
Appearing, you should be thorough. What is this? That is the thing which is to be answered. If you have got it, done, finish, we'll close the petition. We'll say that you have got it.
Recovery is not being.
Recovery, they have said they are not doing it. We'll clarify that. And you have got the money, what more is required? Has his things been cleared?
No, my
Have
lord.
that instruction, we'll have it on 6th.
Yes, my lord.
Mr.
An affidavit from the Accountant General also may be required.
It is the government who has to take a decision. If they take a decision, they are not going to recover. Mr. Borua is nothing. He will not even touch it. And if he touches us, we are here.
Yes.
Right, Mr. Borua?
Yes, yes.
Heard Mr. P.K. Muni, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. D. Bora and Mr. C. Bora appearing for the respondents. Mr. D. Bora, learned standing counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department submits that he be given a week's time to receive instructions as to the processing made towards finalization of the pension and pensionary benefits, finalization of the pension and pensionary benefits of the petitioner. The registry to list this matters again on 6/11/2024.
Public.
Yes, Mr. Hendick. What has happened? Is it because of the new rules?
No. The deputy commissioner is the right person, who can say, that, on that.
You
time,
have no control.
No, lordship. Sir.
You don't have any control.
We have a given, that.
You had given him a time frame to do the work. He
Look.
has not done it. And you are also not bothered. We'll record that.
Last time, lordship was asked to, they obtain instruction about this matter. And after that 1/4/2023, then we have the control. We are the appointing authority, everything.
No, there's 1/4.
2023.
Okay.
They
have-
this is done prior to the that 1/4/20.
Okay, that process has not completed.
That's
Now-
why, that's why.
Now you take over, complete that process.
That time,
Why should these people suffer?
No, lordship may kindly goes to this, this.
Rule, I know. That now it is a combined RCC come recruitment. It's
RCC
recruitment
come
for
recruitment,
RCC
Even
and-
then, that qualification is different.
Different, higher secondary.
No, lordship.
That's a degree,
Degree, lordship.
degree.
High secondary, he have to have 50% marks secured. Then
Yes, Mr. Dhar.
And that department, so for other districts are concerned, the process is over, my.
Other district is completed in prior to the 1/4/2020.
Definitely. No, after that.
No matter the process, selection process has been completed. That result has been declared prior to the that after the 1/4/23, this is defined check.
Yes, Mr. Dhar. This is Morigaon.
Yes.
Morigaon advertisement was issued on 17/3/23, pinning up most of Mondal. Mr. Soikia is sure that he will get the appointment, but you are not holding this election. Why? Mr. R. Dhar, learned counsel appearing for the deputy commissioner, Morigaon. That is the respondent number
Well, there is an order for
4.
producing the instruction, my.
4 shall on 6/11/2024 place before this court the status of the recruitment process initiated by the advertisement dated 17/3/2023 issued by the deputy commissioner Morigaon. Right?
So what do you want there?
এটা একটা photocopy করে নিন। সেটা হচ্ছে তারা just xerox it.
Lordship,
Apply. On 6/11.
6/11. Mr. Dhar, have your instruction?
yes, ma'am.
Make the journal. Lordship, instruction of call for Lordship. Matter related to voluntary retirement from the service.
When did you join?
John, my lord,
2000.
2000, my lord.
From when were you on leave?
Leave, my lord, 2022.
You have completed 20 years.
Yes.
Yes, madam.
May please, Your Lordship, we'd like to file our affidavit, Lordship.
That you could have filed.
She will-
You were already given time.
Lordship, note.
What is your instruction? Man is suffering from liver
Yes,
problems.
Lordship,
He also requires a sustenance. He may not have any. Give your stand. We will, if he doesn't have a case, we will dismiss it.
Lordship,
But why are you keeping a man in hanging?
Lordship, we have received the instruction, we will file the affidavit.
You file the affidavit by, latest by 11th. We will have it on 13th.
Lordship.
Miss so-and-so, learned counsel appearing for the
KAC, Lordship.
KAC, standing counsel KAC submits that she has received the instructions and would file the affidavit on behalf of the said authorities on or before 11/11/2024. Full stop. Registry to list those matters again on 13/11/2024. An endeavor would be made on the next day to dispose of the petition. Just give us that. Give me that plea that he has not completed 20 years because of the leave. Right? Otherwise, the judgments are very clear. If he is applied, you will have to consider. Right? You have not initiated any proceeding against him.
Lordship, we have.
You have only issued a show cause. That is also not under Rule 9. That, you show me a Rule 9 show cause. Is there a Rule 9 show cause? Under the rules of 1964?
Yes.
There is.
No, my lord.
There is a letter only.
Yes, letter, they have only supposed letter only given.
And where is that letter? In that letter, there is a reference about show cause. That you have not annexed. Okay, in your affidavit, bring it. If there is a rule, 1964 proceeding, we will take back our words.
Lordship,
Registry to list this matter before any. The one of them I had appeared in many cases, Jointo Devasoma.
Yes, my lord, that is what, my lord.
I should not be appearing, taking up this matter. That fight between Jointo and
Yes, my lord.
series, I was there.
2012.
12 on. At least before any other bench without me. More number.
May it please, Your Lordship. They are supposed to file the affidavit.
Which one?
59.
No, I can't take up.
All right.
I can't take up. 16. 15 day, not by me.
Area salary. they have
Yes.
Yes,
From page
Lordship,
23 and onwards,
area
that's made only-
secretary, a proposal for sanction has already been sent to the government, Lordship.
When it was sent way back, it was already finalized way back in 19.
24/9/24, Lord.
No. 20 deputy secretary. 21.
2/11/2020, page number 31 also.
Kindly
my lord.
peruse the instructions also.
Proposal sanction was area salary also sent in with 31.
Learned Standing Council. Ms. D. Borak, Learned Standing Council. Health and Family Welfare Department. Summits that the Director of Health Services Assam, via a communication dated 24/9/2024, had forwarded the proposal for release of the area salary and allowances of the petitioner to the government for its approval, complete in all, to the government, complete in all respects, for its approval. She submits that the said approval would be accorded by the government within a period of
In a period of 2 months, also,
2 months.
as your lordship.
You get the file here, we will have it here. You bring the file, we will process it here.
Because I think already it has sent.
Within the month of November.
Yes, yes.
Within 30/11/2024. Registry to list this matter again on 3/12/2024, on which date the approval, the approval so granted by the government in the matter in response to the said communication dated, communication of the Director of Health Services dated 24/9/2024 shall be placed 24/9/24
24/9/24.
shall be placed on record by Ms. D. Borat.
Lord will keep the document on record, madam. Because
You give a copy to Mr.
Yes, lordship.
You keep a copy.
problem.
Yes.
I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Das Gupta.
Ah,
petitioner
make your submissions. Show me your right.
passport photo de.
Nothing is here.
Well, the petitioner has not contacted the advocate for a long time, so one day may given, the next day I will.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, registry to list this matters again on 6/11/2024.
Privilege.
Yes, Mr. Doctor,
My lord, as per instruction, my lord, she's already getting the provisional,
that is not the end of the matter.
provisional,
Why the main, final pension is not being,
my lord, those already, from our end, already we have forwarded.
to whom?
My lord,
To the government or to the AG?
my lord, to, I think AG, my lord, because as per BDO's instruction, already provisionally pension is.
Provisional, she is getting, there is no dispute. That is nothing,
Recently.
that is not a grace being done. That is her entitlement.
My lord.
But why is the finalization
Final will
not?
be determined by the. AG also.
Why is
And
it
AG is
taking?
not a party also. my lord.
AG is not a party. You make up on the prayer of Mr. K. R. Patgiri, Learned Counsel for the petition and not objected to by Mr. S. Doctor, Learned Counsel, Standing Counsel, PNRD Department, registry to list those matters again on 6/11/2020. You get your, you may file an application before that.
Oblige. I have got the instruction, I'd like to find my affidavit regarding equal pay for equal work.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Counsel, Health and Family Welfare Department,
Right.
submits that he has received the instructions in the matter and would file his affidavit within a period of 4 weeks from today. Post up registry to list this matter again after 4 weeks on a date to fix by.
Right.
Pension, regular pension return. And paid provisional pension. That is to, in view of this honorable court's judgment, annexure 9, that may kindly be seen.
Now, why did you do this in the first place?
Not it, actually, I was monitoring in my courtroom.
No. I'm asking about your petitioner.
Yeah.
Why did he produce these 2 certificates, which led to the whole problem? He tried to mislead. What is the status of the case
Not
With
yet
this-
searched it. Not yet searched it, Lordship. Even after elapse of 8 years.
Yes, Mr. This is before the CID. What is the case number?
Case number. Dispute PS, two FIRs. One is dispute PS case number. And it's Annexure 1,
Annexure 1 in your,
first FIR against me. Dispute PS case number 1051 of 2016. It is page number 27, Lordship. And the second one is that is by CID. And that is Annexure 7, page number 33, Lordship. These two, and over same matter, same subject matter. First one was registered by dispute PS and second one by CID.
Mr. Dhar, have your instructions as to what is the stage of the. Huh? I don't want that. We have got nothing to do with them. I only want that whether that investigations have been completed. 16 FIR and 2016 FIR. Just get that instruction. I'll do.
No such proceeding has yet been initiated against me in this period.
Madam, your name?
I does on behalf of the Upaman. SC head.
And you are Mr. Saad.
Sahar.
Mr. A. Shah, Learned Counsel for the petitioner is present. Also, Miss
I does.
Ida,
On behalf
Learned
of the Upaman.
Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 5 submits that she be granted further 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit on behalf of the said respondent. Also, on a query made, the Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner has submitted that he is not aware as to this stage of investigation with regard to the criminal proceedings so instituted against him before Dispur police station, before in Dispur PS case number 1051/2016 and CID PS case number 38/2016. Also, in view of the above position, while granting the respondent number 5 to granting the respondent number 5 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit in the matter, this court requests Mr. R. Dhar, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate, to receive instructions from the investigating authorities in the above noted 2 criminal cases instituted against the petitioner with regard to the status thereof. Also, the same may be placed on the next day. Registry to reflect the name of Mr. R. Dhar in the cause title on the next date of listing. Full stop. List this matters again on 20/11/2024.
Of the petition.
Mr. Saad,
No.
just give him a copy of that.
Earlier they have obtained so many bids. Record is fixed. Well, I mean.
For what?
For filing-
You give him the copies of those 2 FIRs. You get my point? Give him the copies of those 2 FIRs. That will do. Rest, Mr. Dhar can by smelling understand. Yes, Mr. Chetri.
Lordship, otherwise they dispose the matter. My letter here, this is
My disposal will be only dismissal.
and my letter here, this completion appointment already district on the base of the district.
There is no compassion left.
No, my letter, since the state level has.
Your father died in
No,
2012.
my letter, Lordship kindly have here, my lord.
No, you tell me first. Your father died in 2012, right? You approached this court 22 earlier.
No, earlier it was there.
Earlier when?
Earlier, my lord, severally it was approved, my lord.
23.
No. Before that also, my lord, there are so many cases, my lord. Here,
Show me where are the cases?
Here, my lord, only I have come before lordship. The state level has already considered.
You had approached here in 21.
21, right?
No, before,
First, no,
before that also.
that is the only case I get. So
Before
if it is 21, you have approached after around 9 years.
No,
What
in
compassion is that?
Earlier occasion also, my lord, I approached. I have to show, my lord, probably it is not mentioned here. Because in earlier occasions, my lord,
Mr. Chetri, if you don't mention, how can I don't have that.
no,
Our-
only here, my lord, I have come to the particular point, my lord, since SLC has considered.
We have considered everything. We are of this court is of the view that there is no compassion left. So no compassion, direction for compassionate appointment.
No, since this petitioner's case was already been considered by the state level committee, my lord. Now only the matter has remained that even after consideration, they are saying that
There is no vacancy.
there is no vacancy.
Fine.
And already
Fine,
on
fine.
the basis of.
Now you have survived, Mr.
Now- no.
Mr. Chetri, you have survived.
No,
Show me a decision
yes,
that after such a long gap, still
Yes,
we can also. Show me a
my lord,
decision.
I have the decision, I will place, my lord.
Please.
No, not today. I could not bring my lord today, but I have a decision, my lord.
Please.
Even after 15 years.
We'll
my
have it at 2 o'clock.
lord, I have to find out.
Find out, 2 o'clock.
Yes.
Eh, 2 hours election petition. Live to the.